Examples of verbs used in sentences. She dances gracefully. She dances gracefully. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. They sing with passion. They sing with passion. He writes captivating stories. He writes captivating stories. The cat meows loudly. The cat meows loudly. We learn from our mistakes. We learn from our mistakes. The river flows gently. The river flows gently. The children play happily in the park. The children play happily in the park. I love to read books. I love to read books. The chef prepares delicious meals. The chef prepares delicious meals. They laugh at the funny joke. They laugh at the funny joke. The birds chirp in the morning. The birds chirp in the morning. He swims in the pool. He swims in the pool. She paints beautiful landscapes. She paints beautiful landscapes. We study diligently for exams. We study diligently for exams. The wind blows fiercely. The wind blows fiercely. They ride their bikes in the neighborhood. They ride their bikes in the neighborhood. I speak 3 languages. I speak 3 languages. The car speeds down the highway. The baby sleeps peacefully. The baby sleeps peacefully. He runs every morning. He runs every morning. She smiles warmly. She smiles warmly. We eat breakfast together. We eat breakfast together. They plant flowers in the garden. They plant flowers in the garden. The teacher explains the lesson clearly. The teacher explains the lesson clearly. I listen to music in my free time. I listen to music in my free time. The soccer player kicks the ball. The soccer player kicks the ball. The fire burns brightly. The fire burns brightly. He jumps high to catch the ball. He jumps high to catch the ball. She works diligently on her project. She works diligently on her project. They climb the mountain courageously. They climb the mountain courageously. The thunder roars loudly. The thunder roars loudly. We celebrate birthdays joyfully. We celebrate birthdays joyfully. The dog barks at strangers. The dog barks at strangers. I write in my journal daily. I write in my journal daily. The rain falls softly. The rain falls softly. He drives carefully on icy roads. He drives carefully on icy roads. She reads a book before bedtime. She reads a book before bedtime. They shout in excitement. They shout in excitement. The actor performs exceptionally well. The actor performs exceptionally well. We wait patiently for the bus. We wait patiently for the bus. The baby cries for attention. The baby cries for attention. The artist draws stunning portraits. The artist draws stunning portraits. He exercises regularly. He exercises regularly. She hugs her friend warmly. She hugs her friend warmly. They argue about the movie's ending. They argue about the movie's ending. I jog in the park for exercise. I jog in the park for exercise. The wind whistles through the trees. The wind whistles through the trees. The chef tastes the dish for seasoning. The chef tastes the dish for seasoning. He balances on a tightrope skillfully. He balances on a tightrope skillfully.